To create charts and graphs using live data, select Matrix Search, and then select the Stats button at the top of the page. You can search by county, city, zip code, or MLS area. To search by multiple locations, use a comma, or click on the box next to the input field you're using. Search for the individual location and click the Add button. To search neighborhoods, use the Map Search feature by inputting an address or use one of the cutting tools inside the map feature itself, and then press OK. Next, select the property type, as well as the building type. You can also filter your criteria by price or by property characteristics such as beds, baths, and square footage. Now that we've completed our search criteria, we can select one of the statistical reports on the left. These system presets can be used to quickly generate commonly used charts from any search. Examples include trends for sale prices, days to sell, or inventory volumes. Once you've selected a report, click on Generate to view the results. You can print or email the report, or to export just the data, click on the Data tab and select the Export function below. You can also create your own charts by using the Customize tab. You can either customize the preset report or start from scratch and build your own custom report. Select your desired time frame or custom time frame. Then choose one of the many report statistics options. The Group By option indicates how the data will be grouped for display. All statistics can show data grouped by months. For example, number of new listings from month to month, or days to sell from month to month. Most statistics will also allow groupings by area, building type, city, county, list price, primary year, sale price, or zip code as well. You can now generate your report or select the advanced options to add a secondary statistic. The secondary statistic is an optional additional statistic, which can be plotted alongside the main statistic. Click on Style options to adjust the visual appearance of the chart. Here you can choose the color scheme and determine whether or not to display the values on the chart, as well as any 3D effects. Click the Save button to save your customized report, which can then be accessed under the My Preset options. Customize your own charts and graphs to share with clients and use in listing presentations.
Get started with MLS Listings on-demand training videos. From the Pro homepage, click on the training option at the top of the page. From there, choose from a range of videos covering the fundamentals of Matrix, listing management, and CMAs. Click on the View More option to access even more videos and explore all the resources, tools, and strategies available to you.
And don't forget to click that subscribe button on our MLS Listings YouTube page.